Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now, what's really interesting about this year's Pro model is it's not that much better than the Pixel 8. Its cameras are fairly similar. It does have a much better ultra wide, and this model comes with a telephoto lens, whereas the 8 does not. The screen is a little bit better as it gets a little bit brighter, but it has the same underlying chipset and it has a little bit more RAM. Oh, it's larger, that too. So if you guys are interested in having a bigger screen and slightly more RAM, and if photos are your thing, it might be worth that extra $300, especially if it goes on sale, which Google does all the time. But otherwise, there's not a very large difference between the 8 and the 8 Pro, other than it comes in different colors. The 8 Pro line has a bit more lively colors, like this really cool bay color, whereas the 8 comes in pretty standard colors, black, gray, white, that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and get started here. All right, you can see it's pretty much the same as the 8, and obviously we're Team Pixel here. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. Really love these easy open tabs. I love when tech companies do that, so you're not ripping into them with a knife. Ooh, that is very nice. Doesn't feel as slick because the back is matte, whereas on the 8 it's shiny. I can go ahead and show you that now. So you can see, even in the reflection here, that it's shiny and glossy, whereas this is more of a matte feel, and it's actually really nice. I thought I would prefer the glossy, but this feels really good. And as you can see, the camera band here is a little bit wider because it's housing the third lens, which is a telephoto lens, whereas this one only has the 2. So what's really nice about these models, especially now that Apple has done away with it, is you can still use a physical SIM card. You can also use an eSIM if you so desire. Let's go ahead and do this part here. All right, so you guys can see that beautiful screen while we do the rest of the box. Oh, that was one more thing. The Google Pixel 8 has a slightly stronger screen than the Google Pixel. All right, similar to the 8, we have a USB-C charging cable here. No brick included. We can thank Apple for starting that trend. This is a quick switch adapter, so that way you can plug this into the bottom of your phone using the USB-C on the bottom, and use an older cable in case you don't have a spare USB-C slot for your phone. And then here we have the quick start guide, which I love that Google did this. It's just a link. So if you need one, you can go here without it including a big booklet of information that no one ever reads. And then here is the SIM injector card. And then here is your safety, warranty, and regulatory guide for your 8 Pro. And it's in multiple languages if you're interested. So other than the physical size differences and the minor improvements to the camera and the screen and the RAM, you're not getting a whole lot more for $300 additional. So I would weigh that pro and that con if you are willing to spend that extra $300. Personally, between the two, I like the 8. It's very clean. It does the vast majority of the same things as the 8 Pro. Now, we can go ahead and do a review over the 8 Pro if you guys are interested. Just let us know down in the comments. But with that, I do believe that is the end of the Google 8 Pro unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you'd like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.